Bro, I had to take them straight to the foot game. They looking crazy. Hey, these joints hard, bro. I sneak want me another pack cause I already know I'm finna skate this one and fuck it up. But damn, I like how they look, bro. Hey, we finna get an ollie off real quick before mama bear get home, bro. Don't fucking snitch on me. See if I catch it real quick, like. I already know mama bear gonna kick my ass, bro. Do not fucking snitch. We're gonna get this ollie off real quick before she come in. Oh shit. I'm snitch, G. That ain't it. Oh shit. My hair getting in my way. Y'all see my hair dangling, bro? I gotta find me a hair tie real quick. I can't even look down at the board. My fucking dreads all in my eyeballs. Alright. Got them shit tied up real quick. Hey!
Hey, watch me put the mob on the motherfucking map. Yeah, watch me put the mob on.
Yo, don't tell mama bear, bro. Please don't snitch on me, G. But hell yeah, these shit hard, bro. Mob. Hey, remember we got a secret now. Don't fucking snitch, alright? Mob, what it do, broski? It's your main man, DaveyMcFlyy. Two Wise checking in with y'all, bro, and y'all know I like to get straight into the meat and potatoes. You know what I mean? These just got dropped off at the door. I unboxed them. I did record the unboxing, so I will drop the unboxing B-roll footage in there for y'all, so while I'm talking, y'all can peek that out. You know what I mean? But yeah, bro, I got them from Zoomies. From what I was hearing in the interviews that I watched from the guy, Mr. Nyjah Huston himself, they started releasing in local skate shops around February 28th, and the actual release date was March the 1st, if I'm not mistaken. I think they released on Nike.com, and bro, like, alright, how it was, I was looking for a skate shoe. Y'all know I was skating. I was looking for a skate shoe because everybody kept telling me to stop skating in my heat, you know what I mean? And I don't feel like I was skating in heat, bro. I was just skating in some what LeBron's with. Everybody told me to stop skating in my, you know what I mean, my ball shoes and buy me some skate shoes. So I said, hey, you know what? That's what I'm gonna do. I instantly went to researching the guys who I'm familiar with, and just so happened the guy who I'm most familiar with and the pro skater that I'm the biggest fan of is Nyjah Huston. I always happen to come across his skating parts, and this was before I even hopped on the board myself. I only been on the board myself for 4 months, so somehow or another I always came across his skating parts, bro, and I thought dude was so sick. He used to skate to Lil Wayne. Everybody know Lil Wayne my favorite rapper, so you know what I mean? I would see his skating parts cut to the Wayne music, and bro would just be going in. So immediately I thought to myself, like, hey, I think Nyjah signed to Nike SB, and this could have been, bro, this might have been on the 28th. You know what I mean? The same day they actually supposed to start going out to the local skate shops or whatever. So I'm thinking, yeah, it was like that day, bro. I went looking for me a skate shoe, and I searched Nyjah Huston Nike SB, cause I thought he already had one. Like, you know what I mean? I'm not hip. I'm not too familiar with the Nike SB scene, bro. I'm just now, like, this is my first skateboarding shoe ever. Besides Vans, and I don't really count those. Like, well, I guess you're supposed to count Vans as skateboarding shoes, because the 2 pair of Vans I do have, I done skated holes in both of them. But, like, as far as outside of Vans, this is my first legit skateboarding shoe. And this shoe is tough, bro. It's so tough. It's blasted out right now. It's a Summit White on the upper. And we been getting hit with Summit White on all the retros, you know what I mean? Summit White is the new sale. So y'all can imagine what it looked like on the upper. But, bro, it just got some killer dad shoe vibes, you know what I mean? Even down to the ventilation holes on the outside. And really, this whole, like the whole up on the shoe, everything on the outside is for protection, bro. Because you got this sock booty on the inside. And you can see you got elastic strings holding the laces in there as well. I don't know how good it's going to show up. Maybe I do need to dim it a little bit just so y'all can see. Or I'm going to drop it in and tie it in there with the B-roll. But, bro, this shoe, when I put it on, y'all know I had to, like I said, I had to get it on immediately. It remind me a lot of a Huarache. Yeah, it remind me a lot of a Huarache, bro. If I had to compare it to anything, this would be just the skateboarding version of a Huarache, but it looks like a skateboarding shoe, of course. It looks like any other traditional skateboarding shoe, but it does have a little bit of flair to it, you know what I mean? You got the Nike SB on the back, embossed back there. What is that? You know what I mean? Got a little pull tab, and the whole inside and the sock liner is neoprene, you know what I mean? Nice little insole in there. It's rather thin, but all your impact protection is gonna come from up under there. So yeah, walking around in them, bro, that was super comfy. I only took a good handful of steps in it, and you know what I mean, popped it with ollie. But yeah, keep that on the low, you know what I mean? Yeah, I ain't did much. You got the Nyjah on the pull string up there. And like I said, if this video blasted out right now, I'ma try my best to tie the visuals in with the B-roll so y'all won't miss a beat. But yeah, like I said, the whole inside sock booty reminds me a lot of a Huarache, and this whole outside, the whole upper, feel like rubber, bro. So I don't see why this shoe won't last and why I will not get my money's worth, bro. Like I said, I got it from Zoomies. They sold out super quick on Nike.com. When I went to Nike.com, like the first day, if all sizes wasn't sold out, it might have been the other site where it was like an 8.5 left. Like an 8 and an 8.5 left. But it wasn't a lot of sizes of this shoe launch date if it didn't sell out on Nike.com. I don't think Zoomies had them right away. Zoomies might have caught them like a couple days after release date. And that's how I caught them. Zoomies had a full size run. And that was like the only US retailer that did. All the retailers in the US, gone. They out of here, bro. It was like a couple skate shops, online skate shops. But they went and based in the US and they had them. And I didn't want to pay the shipping, that extra shipping. I think like the first shop I went to, and I don't want to say the name just because I'm going to say it wrong. I didn't remember the name of the shop. But the first shop I tried to get them from, it would have cost me like $125. Yeah, that would have been like $125 and some change ship. Versus when I got them from Zoomy, it's just $108 ship. And that was my whole dilemma. Matter of fact, I think I ordered them last Thursday night. Me and Mama Bear was in the bed and we was really trying to get to the bottom on if I'm gonna grab them 13s or not, or go ahead and get me a skate shoe and get it out the way. And y'all see what happened, bro. I slept on the 13s. I thought they was gonna sit around long enough for me to grab them. Y'all know, like I said, bro, I only been on the board for 4 months. I'm a shoe tube guy. I do basketball sneakers casually. I show my gang how to lace them up, you know what I mean? So this right here is very new to me. Extremely impressed. I like the look of the shoe. I wouldn't mind doubling up. Super snug on foot. I'm a wide footer. I wear size 10 naturally and all my J's and all that. But like with Nike basketball, I usually go up to a 10.5. And with Adidas, I will usually go up to a 10.5 as well. Since I figured me being on the board, I need to be locked in, need a snug, secure fit. This definitely do that, bro. You don't even have to lace them up, cause like I said, it's a sock, G. And once you put it in there, you're locked down. Ultimate dad vibes when you off the board, good looking shoe. You know what I mean? Yeah. I've rambled enough about it, bro. I'm excited. I'm excited to put some miles in on this shoe. I'm excited to beat it up. Y'all gonna see plenty of videos from this shoe. Hopefully, as soon as we get some good weather, bro, y'all gonna, you know what I mean? Y'all gonna see me out there carving it up, bro. Popping Ollie Shevitz and all that. But yeah, man, we gonna get up out of here. From my fan to yours. Mob, bro, we got a secret. Don't snitch on me. If I die, Mama Bear did it. We out, bro.
I won't press you, I won't press you. Girl, you swear that you on. You know I can flex too. Don't gotta impress you. I can fit you in my schedule. These girls keep calling my phone. Somebody gave her my number. My girl, she bad to the bone. That booty bitch like a Hummer. You in the kitchen and you whipping them babies. Birdman like Stunner. Birdman like Larry. Shoot the three, then swerve her.